Today I'm converting the NS speedometer light from orange to green. Watch the full video for a clean and perfect LED color change. The meter is already open, and here you can see the original PCB with the factory orange LEDs. Now we'll move straight into the modification. I'll carefully take out the PCB from the meter housing. Handle it gently because the board is very sensitive. Now we start desoldering the orange SMD LEDs. I'm heating each LED and lifting it slowly. Pad damage equals light problem later, so this step must be done very carefully. Like this modification? Comment your next color request and subscribe for more speedometer mods and repairs. Let's check the final result. The NS speedometer now lights up in a clean green shade, looks premium, fresh, and stylish compared to the old orange color. Like this modification? Comment your next color request and subscribe for more speedometer mods and repairs.